What's up YouTube? So today on the shop I'm going to show you how to identify a piece of pipe that hasn't been labeled or stamped. What you want to do is measure the OD of the piece of pipe, which is 4.5. And then you come over here to your blue book. You look for the OD 4.5. And it's 4 inch, so we know it's a 4-inch pipe. And now we want to know what the schedule is. All you do is burn an inch. I like to burn an inch and measure. Let's see, I use the wall thickness, which is about a quarter inch. And you come to your blue book, right? And you go to 4.5, 120, you go 120, convert to inches, 1/8. So we know that's wrong. So then you come back here and do the next one, which is 0.237. You go 0.237. Convert to inches, a quarter. So now we know that the pipe is a 4-inch, schedule 40. And that's how you identify a piece of pipe that hasn't been labeled or stamped.